Hi, thanks for coming to our Can RV and checking out our Milestone 360 RV. It's a big rear den. What that does is it allows for a lot of outside storage. So you have your typical in the front. You'll get to a whole bunch more in the back as well. After you take a look at the full outside kitchen, like a stove, sink, and fridge as well, all under your big awning. This guy also comes with a 6-point auto level system. And then you have both of these, all of your extra pass-through storage on the outside. So features some of the most cubic foot available in any fifth wheel. Check out some of the stuff on the inside. First off, if you take a look up in the back, it's a raised rear living area. So you have opposing couches, both of which will make into a bed if need be, a TV that pops up from the back, and then theater seating across from your TV. In the middle of your coach here, you've got a really big kitchen area, lots of counter space, undermount stainless steel sink. It's a big farmhouse style sink. Your dinette with the seating around as well on the side. And when you come up into the front, you've got a large bathroom, big shower with a porcelain toilet, and then extra vanity and sink as well. The bathroom you feature, or bedroom, you feature a king bed and slide out, which also allows for a huge wardrobe in the front. And you also have a full washer dryer prep that you have in the front because this is a high profile fifth wheel. This one will also, as it's a larger unit, will have a double AC. So you have air conditioning ducted up into the front bedroom, all the way up into the back den. Thanks for having a look at the Milestone 360 RD.